Okay, good day everyone. Today we'll be solving a problem regarding with an open channel. So, here's the problem. A rectangular open channel is designed to convey 2,500 liters per second of water. The roughness coefficient of material of the channel is 0.022 and to be laid in a slope of 0.0015. What should be the dimensions for the most efficient cross-section of the said rectangular channel? So, before we proceed in solving the problem, first, what is the most efficient cross-section for a rectangular open channel? So, for example, you are required to design a rectangular canal to have a cross-sectional area of 8 square meters. The possible dimensions are as follows. So, as you can notice, among these dimensions, this one has the least perimeter. Hence, it is the most efficient. Therefore, the most efficient section is one that have the least wetted perimeter and therefore requires the least cost of grading and lining, which makes it most economical. Okay, again, here's the problem. A rectangular open channel is designed to convey 2,500 liters per second of water. The roughness coefficient of material of the channel is 0.022 and to be laid in a slope of 0.0015. What should be the dimensions for the most efficient cross-section of the said rectangular channel? So first, identify natin yung given sa problem. So, we have here, flow rate is equals to 2,500 liters per second. Or we can write it in terms sa cubic meter per second by dividing it to 1,000. Since 1 cubic meter is equals to 1,000 liters. So, we have also here roughness coefficient of 0.022 and slope of 0.0015. So, for the solution, we can use the equation flow rate is equals to area times the velocity. So, for the velocity, we can use the Manning's equation, which is 1 over n r raised to 2/3 s raised to 1/2. So, for the area of rectangular channel, it is equals to base times its depth. So, again, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ang dimension ng most efficient cross-section of the said rectangular, the dimensions for most efficient cross-section of rectangular channel is base is equals to twice to its depth, and the hydraulic radius for rectangular channel is d over 2. So, we have here 2d squared because since base is equals to 2d multiplied by another d, so naging 2d squared siya. Multiplied by 1 over n d over 2 raised to 2/3 s raised to 1/2. So, i-substitute natin yung mga given sa formula, sa equation. So, 2.5 is equals to 2d squared multiplied by 1 over 0.022 d over 2 raised to 2/3 times 0.0015 raised to 1/2. So, by simplifying it, it resulted to d is equals to 1.046 meters. So, to get the base, we just multiply sa 2 yung nakuha nating depth. So, it resulted to base is equals to, wait a minute. So, base is equals to 2.09 meters or 2.1 meters. So, that's all for today. Thank you.